back to another episode. In today's video, I am going to be swatching the Markartt Jelly Gel Polish set. Now, this set can be purchased on Amazon and it retails for about $18.99 with 6 different colors. It has about 10 milliliters of product and the colors are as followed. You have a crystal rose red, crystal violet, crystal sky blue, crystal orange, crystal green, and crystal dark blue. Now, this collection offers 2 sets, a pastel set and a glamour set, and the glamour set seems to have more complementary colors with the exception of 2 pinks. Now, the collection that I'll be swatching today is the pastel set, so let's jump right on into it. So I've already swatched one color, which is the crystal sky blue, which is not to be confused with the crystal dark blue, which is the color that I'm swatching right now. And what I'm just gonna do is do 1 coat of all of the colors. I'll cure those, then I'll do a 2nd coat, and then I will reveal to you what these jellies look like, as well as my final thoughts. So let's enjoy the rest of the video. So here are all the final looks with a shiny coat and a matte coat to give you all an idea of what these will look like. Now, my favorite color is the pink color. I really love pinks. If you know anything about me, you know that I love pinks. I don't know what it is, but lately I have been gravitating towards matte shades, and I especially love the matte look on these jelly gel polishes because, I mean, it's just something that you don't really expect. Now that I'm looking at the finished product, I feel like I could have used 3 coats and it would have made these colors look phenomenal. For example, when I was playing with the orange color, I just really had a hard time with this color showing up, and I'm quite surprised that I was able to get that color to show up on camera because there was a time where you couldn't even see anything on the camera, and that's why I have my hand behind it, because I was having a really hard time with getting that color to show up. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. If you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.